Okay, we now proceed to the second portion of our exam lab preparation. So the next laboratory, you need to learn, basically mass memorize how to do is DHCP server. Okay, so let's go to our network. So we are gonna use DHCP server on BMnet1 to give IP address to two of our Linux devices. Okay, so let's get started. So essentially the command for DHCP is very simple and straightforward. Choose the excluded address, create a pool, write the network address, choose the default router, give the domain name as well as the DNS server. Quite simple, but you may have a difficulty memorizing a lot of characters, so I will have to teach you a technique to learn those. So after putting those, we check. So notice that, well, there's the DHCP. Let's change this to section. So yeah, our DHCP is quite okay, but we still don't have IP address. See, we need IP address for the two. Fortunately, we do have our script. Okay, this one. Okay, so hold on. Okay, so our gigabit tree is running. So we run Wireshark to see how DHCP works at the background. So this would be BMnet1. Notice that it's empty. Nothing happens. So it's time to put our clients. We click our server here. Go to Baby Linux 1. Make sure the RAM is bigger. Okay? I mean higher than 64. Play this one. As well as the other Baby Linux. Wait for them to boot up, because they will be asking for IP addresses, I hope. Okay, this one, yeah. Let's check if they have IP addresses. The command is ifconfig. Good. The first one got 127. We do have a little problem. I'm sorry. I need to change this one to BMnet1. Did not see that one coming. Go to the second little baby Linux. Change this to BMnet1. Notice upon changing those, we do have some activity. Okay, we may need to reboot our baby Linux. Okay, not rebooting. Doesn't have the command for that. We just power this off, power this on again, since they quickly power up anyway. Power off and power on. Let's go and wait. Check the first one. ifconfig. Good job. We got 101 right about here. So notice that the thing with DHCP, that it goes through stages. The first one is discover. The second is offer. The third one is request. And the fourth one is acknowledgement. These 4 packets sometimes is being asked in job interviews. So let that be a tip. So you have the 2 devices getting an IP. To verify, we check do show IP DHCP binding. Yeah, they have IP addresses, okay? Which is good for our lab. In fact, they can ping each other if you wanted to. Ping 192, oops. 192.168.101.101. They are pinging each other, as you can see from the war chart. Okay? Now we go back here, do show IP interface brief. Okay. Next, and I would say important lab as well, is perhaps part 3. Task number 3. So far we have accomplished 2 tasks. We have our DHCP server. This is task 1. I put it there, task 1. Task 2, our SSH. Task 3, or I would say lab number 3 for your exam, is network address translation. Okay? So the theory of this is we have discussed it in class. But basically, it's just sharing the internet. Okay? So we go to our exam lab. We type show IP route. Notice that there is an internet path over here coming from 108.2. So if you ask me, exam lab can ping internet. Okay? So, no, sorry. If we put a name server, IP name dash server, put in 1111, we can in fact ping, IP domain dash lookup. Yeah, we are connected on the internet. Any website is pingable, all right? The problem with this is our baby Linux is not connected to the internet. Oh, it's connected to the internet. Interesting. We check. How come the baby Linux is connected to the internet? Show IP NAT translation. NAT is not running. Anyway, let's just do NAT. Okay, still don't know why baby Linux can connect to the internet. Let's investigate. So it's going through 10 and 108. Oh, okay. We need to do NAT. Okay, to do NAT, you need to have your network diagram, okay? So this would be the outside. So the command is config t. We create an access list. 1. We permit the network. 192.168.101.0. That's the wildcard. We define an inside and outside interface. So in this one, it's gigabit 1, IP NAT outside. And interface gigabit 3, IP NAT inside. Okay? The last puzzle in NAT is we have to make a NAT pool statements. IP NAT inside source list. The access list is 1. Put in 1. Okay, interface gigabit 1. We need to say the interface IP NAT inside source list 1 interface, and we say overload. Okay, now optionally you can put other stuff, but this is the bare minimum. Okay, just to prove to you that we're gonna do NAT, we go to our router. See, our device can ping the internet clearly, right? But if we select a source interface, for instance, this one, it can still ping the internet. Amazing. Internet is routed. Okay, just put this anyway. Okay, let's see if it does not now. Oh, now it's running. Okay, NAT is being used. Let's go to other sites. Facebook. I don't know. Can't think of anything. Cisco. So, as you can see, the more sites you go to that is on the internet, the more translations are created. Okay. Linux.com, I guess. It's gonna be 5 or 4. Okay. So this is the NAT statement. Okay. So I hope you do this lab. Thank you.